The White House says it is committed to training Ukrainian pilots on F-16s in the U.S. once such training programs in Europe have reached capacity. White House spokesman John Kirby said at a press briefing Friday that it is important to speed up the process of pilot training on the military aircrafts as well as caring for maintenance and other logistics. It's going to be a while before jets can show up in Ukraine and for them to be integrated into the air fleet, he said. And it's not just a function of the transfer of actual airframes, but the appropriate training for pilots as well as setting up all the maintenance, logistics and sustainment efforts. Kirby noted that Western countries, Denmark and the Netherlands in particular, work together on developing a training program for Ukrainian pilots, and that English language training for Ukrainian specialists is critical. All the tech manuals are in English and all the controls inside the aircraft are in English, said Kirby. Ukraine's defense ministry on Friday said it was not involved in a purchase of low-quality uniforms worth $950,000 after the director of a textile company was arrested for selling unfit gear for Ukraine's territorial defense. The textile company won 3 state contracts in 2022 to supply uniforms, which, according to laboratory tests, proved unseasonable for winter combat, the Ministry of Interior said. The director of the company faces up to 12 years in prison and is banned from holding certain positions for 3 years. Law enforcement is currently collecting information on others involved in the scheme. According to the Defense Ministry's statement, the contracts were concluded between the factory and a military unit without the ministry's involvement. Departments of the Defense Ministry were not involved in the procurement process of identifying the need, finding a contractor, concluding a contract, and monitoring the implementation of technical conditions, the press statement